with AI expectations. First off, what is most important about AI is to be clear, direct, and use the proper language. So the example I use all the time is my mom will say to me, "Can you get me that thing?" What's the thing, right? So it's a silly analogy, but the point is the same, is if we aren't calling things by their proper names, this is often why we're not getting the outcome that we expected from the artificial intelligence. Word choices do matter. Subject matter expertise is extremely important to get out of the AI. So you all will do a much better job designing jewelry or telling this AI about things that you learned from GIA and other things. I did not go to GIA. I went to business school. I have a marketing degree. I get a lot of good things out of AI from a marketing perspective. I'm a business owner. I get a lot of good things out of AI because I know how a profit and loss sheet works, right? So I bring this up because the mistake I find is people get frustrated with AI because they didn't get out of it what they wanted, but they might not be the subject matter expert, okay? AI should be a partner, not a replacement for human intelligence. I will tell you, I have been using AI personally to have conversations and think through ideas. And you're seeing this happen a lot in larger organizations where you can actually just talk through ideas. Now, I'm going to stay away from personal uses, but you will see that a lot of people are using this for personal reasons, just to talk through ideas as well. Next, I want to make sure that you review the platform's privacy and security features and understand where their training data rules lie. What that means is whatever you put into the AI, you are saying, we give you permission to use. Now, I will tell you, this is one of my favorite things about Claude. Claude does have a more protected system, and they will tell you you can turn off training data if you want. You can tell it the same in ChatGPT, but you will find that Claude has a higher level of transparency when it comes to explaining how their AI works. And I will show you that today. And then last but not least, our one tool does not fit all needs. So I will tell you, even though we're not going over all of them today, on a daily basis, I am in Claude, I am in ChatGPT, I use Grammarly, which you'll see here. I'm in Perplexity. I've started using Comet, which is Perplexity's browser. So I do not live in one artificial intelligence because each artificial intelligence has its expertise, right? Some things are better than others. Okay, and then hallucinations are real. I will explain why my prompts are set up the way they are. I find that if you do not prompt properly, you often get more hallucinations than you would if you don't, okay? So always, always, always check your work.